Carjacking is caught on doorbell camera. It's part of a string in northern Kentucky. Nearly a dozen teens are suspected, and police say they are armed and dangerous. One of the victims says he narrowly escaped a bullet. He's talking to our Valerie Lyons tonight.
I jumped on the hood. My sister grabbed the window because it was cracked, and she grabbed the window, and that's when they floored it.
Brandon Rogers is thankful to be alive after an early morning carjacking.
I seen that it was kids. But I never thought that they was gonna, shoot.
A neighbor's doorbell camera captures it all. An SUV pulls up to the Hallam Avenue home in Erlanger at around 3 a.m. Wednesday. Rogers says he was getting ready for work when he looked out the window.
So I said, "You got people getting in and out of your car?" I said, "I don't know what they're doing." And then about that time, the dude jumped in the driver's seat. I said, "They're about to steal your car."
Rogers and his sister tried to stop them, but the teens got away, firing at the siblings.
The carjackers then sped around this corner and out of sight, but it didn't stop there because 30 minutes later, that car was picked up on a gas station camera more than 50 miles away in Carrollton.
Video shows the teens pull up in Rogers' stolen car, meeting up with who police call their partners in crime. 11 teens in total suspected in a string of northern Kentucky car thefts.
I didn't even know about the other car. So if it would have just been my sister coming out here, she would have probably got killed.
A security measure deactivated Rogers' car, so with Kentucky State Police in pursuit, police say the teens ditched it and drove off in the other two SUVs. Troopers kept on with the silver BMW into Louisville, where it crashed into another car, sending it up in flames. Police arrested the teen girl behind the wheel.
We're so glad we got the car back.
Roger says luckily police returned their car that same night.
So we figured once they left here, we thought it'd either be wrecked or who knows what, if we would even see it again.
But his family's on edge.
Definitely on our toes now.
Hoping police work quickly so no one else falls victim. In Erlanger, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.